Good morning. So today is August 7th. We are moving from Crossville KOA and we're going to the Smoky Mountains. We're going to the Cherokee KOA. I believe it's in North Carolina. It's a 3-hour drive. Saying go forward a little bit more.
A little more?
Yeah. Alright, August 7th, this is our second fuel stop. I think I'm gonna fill up both tanks today. We have 2 gas tanks. So I'm gonna fill that one up. Yeah, I'll probably fill that one out later. Alright, we just finished getting gas for the second time. It took 34 gallons this time. It is $109. Not too bad. Nah, come. Oh, you good. All right, this is Tia's first big right turn. We're gonna make this right turn right here and a double right. All right.
Hey, now I'm gonna just let the state trooper go.
Okay.
We don't want, we don't want any problems like behind him or anything like that.
She pulls out slowly, cautiously. Oh wait, what's his car turn? All right, now go for it. You go all the way out, then turn. She goes for it, guys. You should have went out some more. Now go. Now go. So, there you go. She makes the turn. Okay, guys. Oh man. And she makes now up here. She's coming to make a left.
Left?
Sharp left. Not right here. Past this bridge.
Oh my God.
She says she wanted to drive. Here she goes. Oh, state trooper got somebody.
Already?
We just saw this guy. He's on a mission, guys. Say now, lift up.
Hey, boo.
Oh.
Nothing in life is going to stop the McCullers from traveling, seeing, eating, experiencing.
I don't know what she's talking about, but as she merges on this interstate, she better look at. She better look at there, cause it's a short merge lane.
Oh, it's a Mack truck.
You better.
Why wouldn't he go?
You
over?
can't. How can they go over to you? They got.
What do you mean? Why wouldn't he go?
How can they go over? They got cars right there. Now they can go over now, but.
Why he didn't go over?
Not why didn't they go over? He couldn't. He had a car beside him. Why him run across the road?
We're here. Okay, go around, Liam. So you don't hit his foot. Look, the kids are at the grocery store getting their snacks.
Saying really wrong, Mom.
What'd you say?
Candy had to get guy.
Oh my goodness. And this guy don't know what he wants. What you shopping for, young man?
Frozen.
He's frozen. All right, well, bye. We have the money, and if you're not with us at the register, that's what. She's so crazy.
Eyes are watering.
Why he act like he got so much stuff? Oh gosh.
Where's it?
No.
Yep.
Freeze that.
Oh, you frozen, Leah.
Okay. Go get in line. Hurry, guys. Run, run. They're gonna middle? Okay. Take him out, Leroy.
That's just the middle.
Come
I have to go over.
You want to go over?
Go all the way over. Kai, don't stand on the chair. Okay, climb over, baby.
Have a seat.
There's no standing, okay? All right, we love you guys. Love you, Liam.
We're out here and you know that you wanna stay.
Nice. Oh. Okay. It seems pretty heavy, huh? It is. So we're walking through to find the river.
Wait, is that a deer?
We're in the forest.
Come on.
Are you kidding? I don't want to.
He said, I don't want to.
Keep the flat side down. Hold it like this. Hold it and swing it. No, not that way. No, this way. Like this, look. This way up. This way. Oh, see, you did too.
He did too? Okay, help Liam out.
All right, Lynn. Your left hand. Right here, flatten. Here, go flatten. Oh, that's a good one. All right, hold it this way. And you hold it. And you throw it.
Hold on, Kai.
You throw it. And you throw it.
I did too.
Oh, he would hit a rock. He threw his and hit another rock.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait, go closer.
Got it. Push. What is that? Yeah, I'm gonna give you a little kick. Feet up, feet up. I got you. Go. Keep going, Liam. Don't stop. Don't stop. Just keep pedaling. He's coming. Keep pedaling. Go ahead.
So we're in the Great Smokies. We're heading to the Clingmans Dome. Like a half mile walk that way. It's supposed to be the highest point in the Smokies.
I want to see that.
You gotta hold it low.
Whoa.
It's a tough one.
Yeah, this is a sweaty one.
We made it to the top.
We made it. No, you're almost at the tippity top.
The tippy top. It's right there.
Right there, look. Look. Are we getting old or are we just out of shape?
Both. It's a combination.
Makai says we're getting old.
Yeah.
He's only 6. Keep going, baby. We got this. We got
Those
this.
rocks, we never get tired.
That's right. That's why you motivate each other.
Mommy, do we see the forest?
I see. These kids aren't afraid of nothing. I don't like that it leans, but oh my. Stay there, baby. Stay there for a second.
Can I take a photo of the clouds?
Yes, yes.
Ready? Here we go.
I saw the pond.
We gotta make it all the way back, all the way over there.
No?
Slowly, so we don't break an ankle. Slowly. Leo, slowly. Oh my God.
I know it. That's the soup. And there's the bear.
So we're getting our stamp. Okay, go ahead, Liam.
What?
That's it.
There's one stamp.
Oh, good job.
Good job, Liam. Do the other side too.
I got it. I got this.
Welcome back. I got it.
You already did it. Good job.
You're so extra.